wasn't working. I like to sing everything. Jada! You gotta be in this video. I had to start the video over again.
Have you got our next friends up in your room?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
You ain't got nothing piled up down on top of your craft box?
Oh yeah, cause that's staying there. That's staying there.
No, it ain't gonna stay there either.
Jada put it there.
You know, all that disappear.
Jada, get the stuff off the craft bag since you done that.
It needs to go wherever you pulled it out from.
I can't make it fit back in any drawers.
If it come out of the drawer and go back in there if you put it right.
Well, then you do it, cause I can't put it right.
Well, you should take it out if you ain't gonna play with it. You cleaning up the mess is your job. I clean up your room, but you clean up your mess.
That is my room.
I know. You clean up your mess as you make it.
No, I don't.
Where you going to? Whether you like it or not.